Stitches. It is morning. It is earlier than I usually get up, but we're on the road to the Olympia Zine Fest. I am nervous and excited. The Olympia Zine Fest this year was really fun. I had a lot of really great conversations with people and met a lot of really cool vendors. I felt like it wasn't quite as full as last year, but there were still quite a few people there. And I even got a lot of cool zines for myself. Alright friends, the Olympia Zine Fest just ended. we're gonna go grab some dinner. It was a lot of fun. They didn't have a live painter this year, which I was really disappointed by, but they had free screen printing, they had a DJ, they had a silent reading area. Oh, and we have found the place that we want to get dinner.
It's the best place ever.
How do you feel?
Excited.
Hayden has been waiting to eat here
All
since
day.
we were here last year for the Olympia Zine Fest.
Yes.
And yeah. Well, I don't think I'll need the vegan and vegetarian menu, but I appreciate that they have it. But we are here for steak.
The steak. The steak.
They discontinued one of the things we came here for.
It'll still be good.
I was so concerned with shoveling food into my face, I forgot to vlog.
Appetizers.
Steak strips with chipotle ranch and gravy. And then this is some sort of fish thing.
It's a trout.
I don't eat fish.
It's a trout and it's delicious. You have to try some.
I don't eat fish. But that looks like mozz. Is that mozzarella?
I think it's cream cheese.
Cream cheese? I was disappointed. I thought it was mozzarella. While these two goons are eating, I will go ahead and say goodbye for this video. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!